After months of sawing, sanding, and painting, your new home may look finished, but it is likely covered in a fine layer of persistent construction dust. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we help you navigate the final 24 hours before you officially move into your new property. A standard residential cleaning is not enough for a newly built or renovated home, as construction debris often hides in the cracks of your windows and inside your cabinetry. The final clean involves a 3-stage process that includes vacuuming the air ducts, wiping down every vertical surface, and deep scrubbing the floors to remove adhesive residue. You should pay special attention to the inside of your appliances and the tops of your door frames, where dust tends to settle and circulate back into the air. Hiring a professional post-construction cleaning crew is often worth the investment because they have the industrial equipment needed to trap microscopic particles. Taking the time to ensure the home is truly spotless before the moving truck arrives will prevent you from fighting dust bunnies for the next 6 months. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our Move-in Day preparation checklist and subscribe to learn how to cross the finish line of your home journey.